So many things exist in this world that it is impossible to count all of them. More surprisingly, there are more technologies to realize them. Hundreds of industries use numerous machines to create technologies. If so, what constitutes such machines? Our expertise is applicable not only to a few industries. We, Shin-Il Machinery, manufacture a wide variety of machine tools used in all industries around the world. We serve as a stepping stone for your business. Shin-Il Machinery provides a wide range of CNC machine tool services, not only for automobiles, ships, chemical plants, and various heavy equipment, but also for molding and wind, nuclear, and thermal power generation. So far, no company has been on par with our expertise that has been ceaselessly accumulated for 18,000 days for the past 50 years. We have already provided 500 companies with 1,500 machine tools optimized to their demands. Those endeavors have further stabilized our management environment, which is another driving force to give us a sense of a more lasting fulfillment. Moreover, we, Shin-Il Machinery, strive to maximize customer satisfaction with our top-notch technologies and high-end quality in South Korea. We would like you to advance further to a more successful growth. We have always done and will continue to do our best to help you realize a greater future. A stepping stone for your successful business. We are Shin-Il Machinery Company Limited.